Welcome to this course on Python programming. My name is Che Hin. I developed this course with a main purpose in mind, to impart to you my knowledge of the Python programming language in a way that is as easy to understand as possible. To start with, the first question to ask is, why should anyone learn Python? The most important reasons are, Python is a general purpose programming language. This means that it can be used for building practically any applications on earth that we can think of. Top software companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, Dropbox, Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, they all use Python. Python is the best programming language for beginners. Compared to other programming languages, Python is the closest to natural human language. If you are starting out on learning a new programming language, Python is your best choice because it's easy to learn. Even for experienced programmers and developers, it is their preferred language because of its code readability. To give a simple example, to get the computer to perform a task in other programming languages that takes 5 lines of code, it takes only 2 lines of code in Python. Some programming languages have difficult to understand syntax and weird rules. Python does not have this. Python is increasingly popular, expecting to overtake JavaScript's position as the #1 most popular programming language. And not only that, it's been growing faster than any other programming languages. Many colleges and universities are teaching Python in their computer science curriculum. Python is the programming language for data scientists. Data science is currently the most in-demand job. It is also the programming language for machine learning, big data, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, all of which are part of what we call the 4th Industrial Revolution. And data scientists are now the highest paid professionals in the technology field. In addition, Python has been extensively used in the areas of finance and science and web, including in developing financial trading applications and web and internet applications, and in computer networks, and in complex scientific and numeric applications. Yes, it's also used in developing dynamic interactive functional websites. Because of its extensive usage by its huge online community, Python has a large number of online libraries, making it easier for application developers to develop complex applications with less codes. Libraries, in this context, are a collection of functions that allows you, as the application developer, to use less codes to perform what you want the computer to do. The next question to ask is this course for me? If you are new to programming, this course is for you. Python is the preferred programming language for anyone who wants to learn how to program. Its syntax is simple and easy to understand. If you already know any other programming languages, this course is also for you if you want to learn the most in-demand programming language today. If you already know Python, this course can be a refresher course for you, so it's also for you even if you know Python. One final note before we end this video and go on to the next video. No course can teach you everything on any subject. This course, and every other courses, has its own merits and demerits. It's my intention to use this course to disseminate my knowledge as much as I can to you. You should continue to learn from any other useful sources that you come across. I hope you will gain something invaluable from spending your time on this course. Cheers and happy learning.